guys, so today we're going to be doing a little hair makeover. I am looking a mess. We are going to try on this beautiful 10-inch ultra full undetectable invisible lace side part bob wig. It's so luxurious, full, shiny, and so freaking soft. Baby, I'm talking crazy. All the info that you may need about this wig, and if you are interested, it's going to be in my description box. I also have a discount code for you guys. You already know I'm always going to have a discount for y'all. And look at this. I was even going to install it, but I didn't have to because this is glueless. Like, this is laying on my head so beautifully. It's just melting so nicely. This is going to be my new throw on everyday wig. The fact that I don't have to install it and it looks like it's already installed, my god, and it fits so comfortable on my head. You guys already know I don't like too much pressure or just tight things on my head, and this is perfect. And you can curl it, wear it wavy, wear it straight. Ugh, I'm obsessed. So this is a new day. I'm re-recording this part of the video because it got deleted, so that's why I have a complete different outfit on. So I'm just gonna install and style the hair for you guys. And that's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.